In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import PST file in Microsoft Outlook. If you've received a backup of your mail, switched computers, or need to restore old emails, a PST file is what Outlook uses to store messages, contacts, calendar items, and more. Before we begin, make sure you know where your .pst file is saved on your computer or external drive so you can select it quickly during the import. Let's get started inside Outlook. Open Outlook, then head to the top left corner and click File. From there, choose Open and Export, and then select Import Export. This opens Outlook's Import and Export wizard, which will walk us through the process in a few quick steps. In the wizard, select Import from another program or file, and click Next. On the next screen, choose Outlook Data File, PST, then click Next again. This tells Outlook that you're bringing in a PST rather than exporting or doing anything else. Now it's time to point Outlook to your file. Click Browse and navigate to the PST file you want to import. Once you've selected it, you'll see options for how Outlook should handle duplicates. Replace duplicates with items imported will overwrite matching items that already exist in your mailbox. Allow duplicates to be created, keeps everything, and may result in 2 copies of similar items. Do not import duplicates will skip anything Outlook thinks you already have. If you're merging content into an existing mailbox and want to keep it clean, do not import duplicates is often a safe choice. Click Next and choose where you want the data to go. You can import the entire PST into the top of your mailbox to merge mail, contacts, and calendar into their corresponding folders. If you prefer to bring in only specific content, you can select a particular folder like Inbox or Contacts. Check Include Subfolders if you want everything nested under your selection. If you see the option to import items into the same folder in your account, that will map inbox to inbox, sent items to sent items, and so on, which is ideal for a full restore. When you're ready, click Finish. Outlook will begin importing. The time this takes depends on the size of your PST and your computer's performance. Once it's done, look in the folder pane. If you import it into your mailbox, the items will be merged into their corresponding folders. If you import it as a separate data file, you'll see an Outlook data file you can expand to view inbox, sent items, and other folders. That's it. You've successfully imported a PST into Microsoft Outlook. If your file is large, give Outlook a moment to index so search results appear accurately. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.